Potential solutions to fix the black screen issue you're encountering in Dragon's Dogma 2. For PC players, update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause various graphical glitches, including black screens. Head to your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific card. Verify game file integrity. Corrupted game files can also lead to black screens. Steam has a built-in tool to verify the integrity of your game files. Right-click Dragon's Dogma 2 in your Steam library, go to Properties, 2, Local Files, 2, Verify integrity of game files. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering graphics settings like resolution, textures, and anti-aliasing can reduce the load on your system and potentially prevent black screens. Try playing around with these options in the game's settings menu. Disable overclocking, if applicable. If you've overclocked your CPU or GPU, try reverting to stock settings. Overclocking can sometimes lead to instability and black screens. Run in administrator mode. Right-click the game's executable file and select Run as Administrator. This might give the game the necessary permissions to function properly. For console players, PlayStation and Xbox. Variable refresh rate, VRR, issue, PS5. A known issue on PS5 can cause a black screen due to VRR, variable refresh rate, settings. Try disabling VRR. 1. Go to PS5 settings menu. 2. Select Screen and Video. 3. Choose Video Output. 4. Select VRR and turn it off. Restart the console. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the black screen. Update system software. Ensure your console's operating system is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes that might address black screen issues. Reinstall the game, last resort. If none of the above solutions work, consider reinstalling the game as a last resort. This will ensure all game files are installed correctly. Additional tips. Search for specific error messages. If you're encountering a specific error message along with the black screen, try searching online for solutions related to that particular error. You might find more specific troubleshooting steps from forums or communities. Report the issue. If none of these solutions work, consider reporting the issue to the game's developers or platform support. They might be able to offer further assistance or investigate the problem for potential future patches. By trying these steps, you should hopefully be able to identify the cause of the black screen issue and get back to enjoying Dragon's Dogma 2.